This is how we create a text field that can be displayed on your product. It can be a monogram or other text field that you'd like to display on your product. First thing that we need to do after creating a panel is to create a category with the type text monogram field. So we save a newly created category and then we go to options and we create a new option that would be the field that we will use in order to display the text on the product preview. So we add we just label the text and then we do not add the value. Here we can set the max length value, max input length for the text field, and set the price that we want to charge. After that we click save, and we have created an option inside of a category type text monogram field. We go to custom layers and we add a new layer and we add title, we select type to text, we choose front view in this case because we need to display the canvas layer on the front. Then we choose the panel to select, if this field is chosen, text that will display as default text, registration number, and then in the advanced fields we will add font size, choose font family, set alignment, choose the color of the font, and the field that we previously created that will feed our canvas. Then we save this, and here we go, we have a field here. If we delete everything from the registration number, then we enter, for example, hello. So maximum fields I think was 8, so let's see. That's it. You can't enter more letters than the maximum.